And again, here would be warming up the cups.
Really? Wow.
Temperature is crucial in coffee. Water temperature and the quantity of grains of grounds to water. And there's a really set ratio whether you're using a French press or an espresso maker.
Así como con este tengo que hacerlo en un periodo de entre 3 a 5 minutos.
This process should take between 3 and 5 minutes. Bless you, bless you. Salud, salud, salud.
Porque, por ejemplo, si yo lo hago en menos de 3 minutos, voy a sacar un café como extraído. No voy a
If I do it in less than 3 minutes, you're going to get a over flavored. It's too fast. You get off flavors.
Y si lo hago más, me va a salir extraído con sabores ya amargos.
And if I do it too long, that's when you start getting what many of us consider normal flavors. You start getting those bitter flavors. And bitter in coffee is bad. Acids, sweets, fruits are all good, considered good now.
Yes. Good question. When you do your French press, how long do you let the setting?
From the time I preheat and put the grains and water in, I usually go between 3 and 4 minutes. And I'll set my phone and you want to boil your water. I've got one of those water instant things, and then let it sit 30 seconds. Because if it's boiling, you'll get a burn flavor on the coffee. And then I learned a trick from a friend who we're going to meet. You got the plunger holding it down, but before you push it down, pull it up. And he said that kind of mixes and gets some off gases out before you plunge it to the bottom. So all kind of tricks I've learned. I YouTubed how much coffee, and you have to adjust that because some people say 10 to 1, some people say 12 to 1, some people say 15 to 1 of how many grams of coffee per milliliter of water. Why those digital scales, which are very inexpensive now, you can put your empty French press and then measure your coffee and then retar it, and as you're pouring your water on, do a 10 to 12 time ratio. For me, usually works for most coffees. And when I do it like that, I'm at best a little bit of milk, although today I had a well-prepared coffee. I drank it black. And to really get the flavors here, where we're going next, you can order what you want, but to really get the flavors, you want to try a method like this or a French press, so you can at least taste it first, and if you want to put some milk and sugar in, that's your own choice. But you really kind of hide all of the flavors when you put those other flavors in.